Okay, so this one is for the sports fans out there. In fact, it's called the Sports Fan. We are going to be doing this very fun application that is great for tailgates, and it is a great gender neutral option that everyone loves. And you might be thinking, hey Katie, I don't care about sports. That's okay, stick around because this look looks great on everyone. So I'm going to be wearing the black and gold today to root on our home team, the Saints. Let me go ahead and grab my little applicator right here and my tester. So just like we've said before, you want to lay this on very thin. So I'm gonna be doing, basically I'm gonna be doing like an eye black underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna do 2 little bars on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to lay the Bolt Balm as flat to the skin as possible. And I'm gonna be going, I'm kind of going in up and down motions. If you do it like this, it's a little bit harder to contain. So I'm just doing little baby strokes. And then I'm just gonna take the side of the applicator and push it in to make it into a square. And a lot of times, just like eyeliner, you do one side, and then you do the other side, and you gotta kind of come back and even out the other side. So I'm just gonna leave this first side, even though it's not perfect, but hey, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's glitter, it's not rocket science, it's supposed to be fun. Let's do this side, and then I can slowly kind of even out. Whoop, come back here. Scooch this. I want to make sure they're somewhat symmetrical and look like squares, and they're about the same length. Right. And I have these kind of a little bit out of an angle. You can either do them right under straight, but mine kind of went to an angle and I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave it. And really that's it. You can sit around and play a little bit more. You can also, if you feel like there's a little bit too many holes, you want the Bolt Balm to look thicker, just wait a minute, let it dry, come back in with a little more product and fill in the holes. So I might do just a little bit of that. I might say, okay, I want this a little thicker. Let me get just a teeny bit of product and just come back in. Boop. You gotta make sound effects. Boop. Move around if you want black in a particular spot. I think that one does look a little thinner. So that was the Sports Fan, and even if you aren't a fan of sports, I bet you can rock this look and look amazing. So have fun and enjoy your team. Go team, go. No, all right.